So let's analyze our day for tomorrow. What would be our trade ideas? So अगर डेली टाइम फ्रेम यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो प्राइस हैज क्लोज्ड अ गुड इनफ बुलिश कैंडल. दैट इज यहाँ पे द sellers opened the price, pushed the price down, but from the bottom the buyers have pushed the price up and closed in a red hammer. It is not a completely bullish hammer, but it suggests कि यहाँ पे थोड़ा bullishness आया है. Now, if we look at the 15 minutes, we can see कि यहाँ पे the buyers were in control because here we can see a bullish price action being formed. Or if we look at the volume profile, यहाँ पे भी दिख रहा है कि yesterday the price moved up with a bullish price structure and then a bullish price discovery move. So the maximum amount of money was transacted right here. और उसके बाद टुडे प्राइस हैज कंसोलिडेटेड राइट हियर एंड इज इन अ बुलिश प्राइस डिस्कवरी फेज कि यहाँ से प्राइस कैन मूव हायर. सो वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल से भी दिख रहा है कि द मनी वाज ट्रेडेड हियर, नाउ इट हैज शिफ्टेड राइट हियर विथ द पॉइंट ऑफ कंट्रोल बीइंग एट द टॉप. सो यहाँ से एक कंटिन्यूएशन की पॉसिबिलिटी इज वेरी हाई. सो as per this, we will have a bullish bias for tomorrow. Now, if we look at the 5 minutes, I have a few levels, which is the previous day high, previous day low, and this is the point of control, which is at 78,200. So on the 3 minutes, I observed some volume cues that I would like to share. जो है, in the start, as I saw, the volumes were being distributed evenly throughout this range. So यहाँ पे, even though price was moving up, a good amount of transactions will be taken, but then as we move towards this level, ये candles में the whole volume shifted right here. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा volume was transacted in these two candles, and after this volume the price action that was followed was in the bullish direction. So ये जो volumes यहाँ पे आए थे, those were more probable towards the buying side, क्योंकि after this volumes were introduced in the market, the price moved higher. So ये volumes जो आए थे, those were majorly positions built for and towards the end, if you can see, if I extend this volume profile right here, यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा volumes trade हो गए. So till this point the volumes were still concentrated at this level. From here the volumes came in, but towards the end we can see कि ये 2-4 कैंडल में the whole volume point of control shifted from here to here. So observing this volumes, we can see one thing कि the majority volume was traded right here, and after that the majority of the volume was traded right here. So the money shifted from this level to this level. So higher probability है कि यहाँ से price would move up for the bullish price discovery, and then this money, the positions that are built here, will be in good enough profits moving higher. So because of this volume analysis, I am confident कि कल price has a very high probability to move higher, or else कल एक बड़ा gap up भी open हो सकता है. So our bias for tomorrow will be bullish, and we will look to buy on any continuation trade we get near this previous day high level, or else अगर price यही कहीं पे open होता है and it starts to move up around these levels itself, I will be ready to buy for the continuation upside. अगर बड़ा gap up open होता है, then we will wait for some price action or some value area to be formed, and उसके बाद we will judge where price wants to be. क्योंकि अगर बड़ा गैप अप ओपन हो गया तो यहाँ पे जो भी लोगों ने अपने बाय साइड के पोजीशंस बनाए हैं, they will be sitting in a good enough profits. और अगर bullishness रहा प्राइस में तो यहाँ से प्राइस ऊपर जा सकता है. That time we can look for a buy side trade. लेकिन if these prices are still too expensive for these buyers, then price has probability कि प्राइस थोड़ा नीचे आके रिट्रेस हो सकता है, और वही नीचे आने के बाद यहाँ कहाँ पे तो एक वैल्यू एरिया फॉर्म करके shifting this money in this area, and then it will try to move high. So these are a few things that I will look out for tomorrow's session.